Okay, so we know we're sharing equally today. So let's have a look at this question here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eggs. We need to put them into 1, 2, 3 baskets. Now when we do this, we share them equally, so it means that each one of them gets 1. Do you see? So now they're all in equal groups and there's 1 in each group, but we've still got 3 to share out. So we put 1 egg in one basket, another egg in another basket, and another one in another basket. Now we know they're equal groups because there are no eggs left. There are 6 altogether. Each basket has 2 eggs. 6 eggs shared equally between 3 baskets is 2. How many sweets are there? Now, we could count these very quickly. We could think about counting in 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So I know that there are 24 sweets. We've got 1, 2, 3 jars. Alright, so if I've got 3 jars, I can put them into 3 sections. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in a group, 8 in a group, and 8 in a group. They are all equal groups. So 24 sweets, so 24 shared equally between 3 groups is 8. How many sweets are there? There are 24. But wait, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pots now. 24 shared equally between 8 is 3. So when we are looking at sharing equally, the numbers, you don't change the numbers. So when we've got 24 shared equally between 3, we've got 8. And when 24 is shared between 3 is 8. Okay, so we're going to swap the numbers around again. Okay, but we've got to make sure that the largest number is the answer, because if you are sharing, your number gets smaller. When you're multiplying, it gets bigger. So fine, we've got here 24 sweets again, but this time we only have 4 pots. Okay, (24) shared equally between 4 is 3. So we've put 3 in each pot now. Now we can put another 3. So what's 3 add 3? 3 add 3 is 6. Have a go at the questions on the worksheet now, please.